Right, now, aside from the video a minute, where is the drone? So how do you feel about the drone, mate?
It's amazing. It's such
For
a
real?
great toy.
You can get this drone for as little as 429 pounds. Yeah, that's the basic offer.
So the drone itself, just the drone.
For the drone, one battery, one set of propellers, charger, and that's it. But for an extra 130 pounds, so for 550, you get the bag itself. Yeah, the bag,
so
this bag for the drone. Yeah.
Okay.
You get the charger with 3 batteries, 31 minutes for each. Yeah. You can use it as a power bank as well.
That's nice. That's good for somebody that is filming a lot.
Charger for the remote control.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an USB-C in it.
Yeah. 2 USB-C cables.
USB-C, yeah.
Yeah. The one for this is specially made for iPhone.
Okay.
So inside the controller, you already have connected the iPhone cable, which fits to the iPhone when you use it on the joystick.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else we got extra here? You get another set of propellers for free.
Also for free included in the 129.
Yeah.
All right, that sounds decent.
Screwdriver, screws, 2 small joysticks that you put in on the joystick, the pads, and
that's about it.
I think it's worth it because if you would buy them separately, it would cost you more, obviously.
What about the warranty? Is it 1 year or 2 years warranty? Do you know?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure about the warranty, but I know I'm paying £4.50 a month for an extended warranty, and it covers everything except accidental damage, and that's it. So
all right, that sounds decent.
you can fold the drone itself. First you fold the back legs, yeah. After that, we got some grass on it. After that you fold the forward legs, and that's it.
So from the whole thingy,
it
just have something that you fit it pretty much, you keep it in your palm.
Similar like a smartphone.
Okay.
Yeah. Similar like a smartphone. You put it in, you have this thing.
Okay, like a case, sort of speaking.
to hold the propellers so they don't break. Inside. Yeah. And that's it. Yeah. It goes inside the bag. Car case cover for the camera.
Okay. So it's not gonna get scratched or something, the lens of the camera inside the bag.
Exactly.
And it fits in the bag.
Yeah, that's it.
So the bag itself is the size of a standard whatever bag that usually people use for photo cameras.
Exactly.
What about the remote?
The remote. These you just unscrew them. Yeah?
Okay.
And you fit them on here.
Oh, so it's gonna use leg space and also avoiding to actually break the knobs.
Exactly. So every time when you need them, you just boom, take them out, screw them back, and that's it.
That's so neat. And how do you take out the phone?
You just clip that.
Yeah.
Take the cable out.
Okay.
The cable goes back here.
Can you use a different cable? Because I'm quite curious about the type of phones that you can use.
I'm not sure about that.
Is it a USB-C? Yeah, it's a USB-C.
Yeah, so you can
connect any USB-C.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. This is especially
for iPhones.
For
I see.
iPhone.
It has a lightning USB.
Yeah, exactly. But you can use the other cables for Android too. Okay.
Okay. And that's it.
That's the.
And the remote goes inside the bag.
Yeah. Press it once. Hold it. Done. Boom. And that's it. close the bag.
And off you go.
You can take it anywhere you want. Boom.